Good morning, guys. Welcome back to today's video. It is February 17th. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, maybe about... I didn't do the last 2 trading days because Friday, I don't know what happened. Monday, yesterday was a bank holiday, so there's no trading either way. But today was kind of a weird day in the markets, and I say weird is because price is, according to my strategy, shifting biases, and it's in the middle of doing that, so things tend to be a little bit sticky. But I will show you what we were kind of looking at overall, because I think I'm gonna call it a day here. I'm more interested in waiting to see the higher time frame actually show me what it wants to do. Now, in terms of 4-hour biased or higher time frame bias, we are still very much, we are bullish in this case, and we are kind of within this order block here. We also swept out some major liquidity right here. From there, I just checked the 1 hour. Now, the 1 hour, it would have been nice to see like actual breaks to the upside versus just a push. So from there, what I had to do is pretty much jump down some more and see if I can actually, is there a probable long here. The only thing I have is a 1 hour liquidity grab. So I jumped down to the 15. And the 15 minute is not, 15 minute is bullish. And the closest thing I have is this. It's just a 15-minute order block. So from there, this is where I wanted to see some long actions happen. I wanted to see a break in my favor, and then, you know, the actual entry model here. Now, according to my grading system, if I had taken a trade like this, as you can see, the 1 hour liquidity was not actually grabbed yet. So it ended up being a C tier trade because we only have a 15-minute order block, meaning we have 1 point on the higher time frame. I need at least something with 4 hour or 1 hour, right? And I know we were in this 4 hour previously, but this is from like yesterday, so I need to see a more recent action. So this could have been 1 point on the higher time frame. New fractals, because it would be past 6:30, so we'd be sitting at 5. And let's say I cover my stop loss with structure, it'd be, again, it would rank at 8, so it's still a C tier trade. I most likely would have passed up on this. The only way for me to really get in on this was if it swept out 1 hour liquidity and had a better reaction from there. Now, why is the day kind of weird? Because we had a lot of bearish pressure. We did sweep out this 1 hour liquidity grab as well. I'm going to get rid of this and this. For price to be bearish, we have to close below here, which we did it. But this is, where's my 15-minute order block. I was interested in shorting this, but we didn't get an OB tap. We obviously have a break in our favor right here. Right? Break. Liquidity grab. And PA level. Entry would have been 1 minute candle closure past EMA as well as PA level. So right here, stop loss above this, very close to being stopped out. This could have been so circumstantial because I could have just covered like this and been like, yeah, that's fine, and then what a piss off, right? So again, this is based off of hindsight because this trade technically did not happen and was not valid because of no order block tap. But overall, it did end up reaching full take profit. So yeah, that's kind of what today looked like. I keep going back and forth between order flow tools, volume profile, delta footprints, things like that. This strategy works, and it works great actually. It's just I'm trying to perfect my entry. Like, for example, you know, I want to be able to take a short like this confidently without getting this fat retracement or stopped out before take profit, right? Maybe that's just something I have to live with. But I also want to know, I want to get better at taking counter trends, right? Because the entry model happens a lot, like a lot. Break in our favor, liquidity, PA level, OB tap, all that. It happens very frequently, but I want to be able to, because really I didn't want to take shorts, but then, you know, the community that I was in, everyone was more so looking at shorts, and the longs, like the market today just wasn't, it doesn't, there's no bulls in the market right now, right? Even though all my technicals point to the fact that, you know, we are bullish, but we just had a lot of bearish pressure. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wrap up this video here, and that will be that. We'll see you guys for tomorrow.